Hi, Bill Naylor here with another Spreadsheet Madness video. So today I'm going to show you a Sudoku puzzle built in Excel. And the idea behind this is the Sudoku is just a logic-based number puzzle, right? So the objective is to fill each row and column and each of the 9 3x3 squares with the numbers 1 through 9 with no repetition in any of those, right? So it's kind of a fun thing. And so the idea is, if you're looking at this and you say, what's the second, what's the possibilities for that through process of elimination? If I'm looking at the second row, first column, I know it can't be a 1, a 2, a 3, it can't be a 4, because there's a 4 over there. It can't be a 6 or a 7, because those are both in that first 3x3 section. So it can't be an 8. So our options are it could be a 5 or a 9. So that's how this works. You just kind of go through a process of elimination and figure out what part works. So the interesting part of doing this in Excel was it just became sort of an exercise, an intellectual challenge to figure out how to make it work and how to automate it and make it such a way that it would tell you what the possibilities are, right? So here's what the whole thing looks like. So the top grid that we were showing is there, right? And then the bottom section is divided up, through the use of merged cells and things. The bottom one, actually, in every one of those squares, there are 9 calculations, right? So for each number, we're doing a series of nested searches and counts just to see if that number exists anywhere. So this was kind of fun to do and fun to come up with. And then I just added some neat little macro buttons so I can clear it all. I can have 1 through 99 different puzzles. You buy a Sudoku book, it has a whole bunch of different puzzles in there. So if I hit clear, you can kind of see this, and I'll zoom in. So again, every one of these squares is looking for each of those numbers in the appropriate places, right? I'll show you the formulas for those here in a sec. Again, this is just a fun exercise and just kind of did it for the challenge of doing it. So here's an example of one of the formulas that you can see here. So the first thing it does is check to see, if there's anything entered in there, it's just going to leave a blank. And then it does a series of nested count ifs. So I'll leave that to you to kind of figure out. It's fairly labor intensive because every formula is unique. So but again, it was just kind of a fun exercise to do and something to get a little creative with. So that is the Sudoku pad puzzle in Excel. Just kind of a fun exercise. I hope you found this useful and it maybe gave you some ideas of things that you might want to try yourself. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.